Good morning, students. So, in chapter 4, climatic variation, we have learned up to now about that how that climate, what is the difference between weather and climate. Weather continuously changing and climate is the daily weather, or we can say that a weather condition for a long period. Afterwards, we have learned about the factors causing climatic variation. अब देखो क्लाइमेटिक वेरिएशन में क्या क्या फैक्टर्स होते हैं. लाइक फर्स्ट वन वी हैव लर्न अबाउट दैट लैटिट्यूड और डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द इक्वेटर. सो लैटिट्यूड एंड डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द इक्वेटर. ओके, सो इन द होल अर्थ टेम्परेचर और क्लाइमेट इज नॉट सेम. वाई इट इज हैपनिंग? पूरी अर्थ पे क्लाइमेट और टेम्परेचर सब जगह सेम नहीं होते हैं. ऐसा क्यों होता है? And one by one we are going to learn all these factors कि why some places are too cold and some places are too hot. And we have learned one factor about this is latitude. हाँ, हमने एक फैक्टर पढ़ लिया है latitude कि कुछ places hot और कुछ places cold क्यों होते हैं. And one of that factor is that because the places near equator becomes very hot because they receive direct sunlight. Equator के पास जो places होते हैं they are very hot because they are receiving more sunlight and the poles receiving less sunlight, so they are cold places. That is why north pole and south pole have ice on there. Okay, glaciers are there, है ना. That is why these are very very cold. And according to that we have learned about these three zones: the toroid zone, the temperate zone and the fridge zone. Okay, in this, the area in the toroid zone which is very hot, and the area in temperate zone is not that hot and not that cold, very moderate, and the area in fridge zone they are very cold. Okay, and how this area are divided? According to this latitude line: equator, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर एंड ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉन. तो ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर और ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉन के बीच में कौन सा एरिया है? टोरॉइड जोन. और ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉन एंटार्क्टिक सर्कल, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर आर्कटिक सर्कल के बीच में दोनों तरफ है टेम्परेट जोन. एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स नॉर्थ पोल एंड आर्कटिक सर्कल, साउथ पोल एंड एंटार्क्टिक सर्कल. इन मिडिल वी हैव फ्रिज जोन. हियर वी हैव at both the end we have fridge zone. So up to now we have learned about this. Now we are going to learn about another factor, that is altitude. Okay, first I will tell you what is the meaning of altitude. So students, altitude का meaning होता है, the meaning of altitude is height. Okay, what is the meaning of altitude? Height. Like a higher altitude means high in height. हायर एल्टीट्यूड की चीज़ें क्या होंगी? माउंटेन्स होंगी. ओके, व्हाट इज द थिंग्स ऑफ हायर एल्टीट्यूड? माउंटेन्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, डू यू नो अबाउट द हिमालयाज? आपने हिमालयाज के बारे में पढ़ा होगा लास्ट ईयर इन योर क्लास 4. ओके, दीज आर द हिमालयन माउंटेन रेंजेस विच इज लोकेटेड एट द नॉर्थ ऑफ अवर कंट्री. जो हमारे नॉर्थ पे लोकेटेड है हमारी कंट्री पे. You have seen the pictures of Himalaya also, that they all covered with snow. Himalayan mountains snow से covered है. Students, Himalayan mountains ना तो North Pole पे हैं ना ही South Pole पे हैं. फिर इनके ऊपर snow क्यों है? Why they have snow on them? It is the reason because of the height. ये इतने ऊंचे हैं इसलिए यहाँ पर snow है. Okay, the reason behind that the Himalayan mountains are covered with snow is because of that height. Okay, so as we go up and up the temperature start decreasing. जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर जाएंगे टेम्परेचर कम होता जाएगा मतलब फ्रीजिंग होता जाएगा. Okay, so as we go high up and up temperature start decreasing, cold start increasing. ठंड बढ़ती जाएगी. As we go up cold becomes more, ठंड ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. And that is why Himalayan mountain peaks are covered with snow. हिमालयन की माउंटेन पीक्स स्नो से कवर्ड होती है और इसीलिए कुछ एरिया ज़्यादा ठंडे होते हैं. That is why some places are very very cold, like Mount Abu. Mount Abu is in Rajasthan, or Rajasthan is a dry and hot place, but still Mount Abu is cold place because of the altitude, because of the height. It is located at higher part than other part of the Rajasthan. That is why it is cold. So students, there is another example given in your book, that Ludhiana and Kasauli, they both are located near to each other according to their latitude. They are located near to each other, but Ludhiana is hotter and Kasauli is cold place. It is a hill station. Why it is happening? I'll show you in map where they are. See student, this is the upper part of our country, northern part, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. So this is Ludhiana in the box. See, this is Ludhiana and here is Kasauli, जहाँ पे मैंने circle करके dot करा हुआ है. You can see these places are near to each other, but Ludhiana is hot and Kasauli is cold. Why it is so? Because it is located at a height. ये थोड़ा ऊंचाई पर located है, hill station है. That is why we are calling it hill station, because it's located at a hill place, hilly area, and that is why Ludhiana becomes a so Kasauli becomes a cooler place and Ludhiana becomes an hotter place comparison to it. So the places which are located on height, more height and more height, they will become more cooler and cooler. जैसे जैसे height बढ़ेगी ठंड भी बढ़ती जाएगी, temperature decrease होता जाएगा. Okay. So what else we understand? What now we understand about these topic is this, that as the altitude increases, means height of a place increases, temperature decreases. Means if a place is situated at higher altitude, it means more cool place. Example, Mount Abu. Okay, the places of Jammu and Kashmir, Himalayan mountains. And one more example is given in your book, that Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount Kilimanjaro is located in East Africa, means Africa continent, which is situated on the equator. Yet its peak is always covered with snow. This is because of it is over 500 meters above the sea level. So what does this sentences means? कि माउंट कैलिमंजारो इक्वेटर पे सिचुएटेड है. आपको मैंने बताया था, अभी हमने फैक्टर पढ़ा था कि इक्वेटर पे बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है, बट स्टिल माउंट कैलिमंजारो के ऊपर आइस है. क्यों है? क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा ऊंचा है. कितना ऊंचा है? 5000 मीटर्स above the sea level. That is why. Let's see Mount Kilimanjaro on map. So student, this is the map of South Africa. You can identify this easily. And let us focus on Mount Kilimanjaro. Okay, I have already put in a box for you. This is Mount Kilimanjaro and you can see it is located on equator. Okay, so that is why this place is very very hot, but still Mount Kilimanjaro is covered with ice because it is located at very height of 5000 it is 5895 meters tall. You wanna see where is equator? आप देखना चाहते हैं इक्वेटर कहाँ पर है? तो ये जो लाइन दिख रही है, दिस लाइन, दिस डॉट 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 लाइन इज इक्वेटर. ये देखो यहाँ पे इक्वेटर लिखा भी है, हियर इट इज रिटन ऑल्सो इक्वेटर. और ये इक्वेटर से कितना पास है? इट इज जस्ट अबाउट नियर द इक्वेटर, बट स्टिल इट इज कवर्ड विद स्नो. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज लोकेटेड एट वेरी टॉप हाइट. बहुत ज़्यादा हाइट है इसकी. इट इज़ वेरी हाई. That is why it is covered with snow. So this is the reason why some places are very cold. Either it is located near the equator. Okay. So students, up to now we have learned about the latitude, that why the north and south pole are very cold and places on equator are very hot. And we have learned about all these zones, the toroid zone and the temperate zone and the frigid zone. And afterwards we have learned about the altitude feature, and now we are going to learn about the next topic, which is distance from the sea. What is our next topic? Is distance from the sea. So let us discuss this topic in our next video, and up to now you have to read all these things which is mentioned in your book up to here. Okay, and if you have any doubt regarding this, you can contact me. Okay, and our next topic I will start in the next video. Read this topic. Okay, read this also, distance from the sea. Thank you. Take care.